Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Infiniti QX60 we just got off lease. This is a local 1 owner clean Carfax vehicle, and recently it was turned in off lease at our store, and we always have first dibs on buying turned in leases before they go to auction. And of course, this beautiful example, how could we not take advantage of this for our pre-owned inventory? So if you're in the market for a QX60, this definitely one is a beautiful one to consider. Nice color combination in white on black. Very, very well equipped with features. Of course, being a luxury crossover, you have this beautiful leather interior. This one has heated and power front seats, heated steering wheel. You have a drive mode selector to tailor transmission, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings for different driving situations. A continuously variable transmission offers an almost infinite amount of gear ratios, so you have that perfect gear ratio for that current driving situation that you're in. Dual zone auto climate control in the front. If you love music, you'll love the Bose sound system. This one has navigation, a 360-degree around view camera, and you can change views. This one also has a driver's assistance package, which gives you backup collision intervention. So if a car drives past you or a pedestrian walks behind you while you're backing up, it'll automatically hit the brakes. You also have front and rear parking sensors, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. Also with the driver's assistance package, you get adaptive cruise control that operates from 0 to 90 miles per hour, and you get blind spot warning. The steering wheel tilts and it telescopes. This one also features the optional 20-inch wheel and tire package. Really makes a big difference. The 18-inch wheels are stock, and I think wheels and tires really make the look of a vehicle, and it really makes a big visual difference to add that wheel and tire package onto this QX60. This one's an all-wheel drive model. You can either get a QX60 in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, but it's intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, like in conditions like this, it's going to send 100% of the power to the front wheels. Why does Infiniti do that? Well, if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working, it's going to reduce your fuel economy. So by defaulting to front-wheel drive, it's going to help improve fuel economy a little bit. And also, if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working, it's going to chew through your tires a little bit faster too. So by diverting to front-wheel drive mode, it's going to save a little bit of life on your tires, but as soon as those front wheels start to slip very quickly, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the rear wheels for non-slip starts and excellent traction in wet, slippery conditions. And I've driven these in the snow. They do really well in the snow as well. The QX60 is a mid-size luxury crossover. So you have very comfortable second row seats. They slide back and forth. They also recline. You also notice this one is equipped with a theater package as well. Also, we have a rear climate control, USB, as well as a conventional 120 volt outlet. Excuse me, just getting over a cold. So if I cough a little, I apologize. Third row seating is not too bad, considering this is a mid-size crossover. We have a power rear liftgate. 2016 is a great year for the QX60 because it got an exterior and interior refreshing, looking better than ever. The dashboard, transmission shifter, color of the interior trim was all revised for 2016. The rear lights and rear fascia was restyled. And also the front end, the design of the lights and the front fascia was redesigned as well. Actually, this 2016, if you parked it right next to a 2020 model, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. So it really is a nice package for the price. The heart of the QX60 is the award-winning VQ35 engine. It makes 265 horsepower. Maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains designed to last the service life of the engine, about 300,000 miles. And I can tell you, As a 15-year veteran of Infiniti, I've seen many of these engines and vehicles, many different Infiniti vehicles come in on trade or for service with 200, 300,000 miles, still running strong, so they can definitely go 300,000 miles. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.